welcome to the third edition of Project Marga. If you are watching this podcast for the first time, a quick introduction about myself. My name is Mahika Srivathsa. I'm in grade 12 and I'm from Bangalore. Marga is an attempt to build digital content aimed to provide career counseling for underprivileged high school students. Today, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Rabani Kaja Mohideen. Sir is a technologist and holds a keen interest in building enterprise software. Sir, thank you for agreeing to speak to me today.
Hi, Magiga. Nice to meet you. Thanks for the invite.
So we'll get started.
Yeah.
Can you explain in simple words what is information technology, or IT as it is popularly called?
Okay. Information technology, as you said, it is shortly called IT. It's generally the concept refers for the development, management, and practical applications of computer networks, systems, and softwares. So primarily, it is focused more on the software, but it is also used for the other areas like networks and systems. IT plays, these days, if you look at it, it plays a major role in all the business operations today. It significantly affects how we exchange informations more effectively, more efficiently, and securely in our daily lives, right? So IT is everywhere, from basic day-to-day usage of our mobile phones, softwares which we use. Right now we are in the video conference, right? So email, various websites we use to purchase things like Amazon, Make My Trip, ATM machines, and Google Pay. You can count on it actually. So everywhere, if you look at it, this comes under the umbrella of information technology.
So what inspired you to come into this profession?
Okay, inspirations. Okay, for me, this is a profession. It has a lot of scope for innovation because we can always think for new ideas. There will be different challenges, problems you can solve. So, and this also connects with your real world problems. So we as a customers, we face a lot of problems. If on the other side, if you look at it as an IT professional, now we are able to solve those such problems which we are facing on a day-to-day basis, right? So this is one part of it. And also whatever we are providing as solutions, most importantly, I see the reach. So if I give some solutions in IT, we can reach millions of users, right? So with the impact it can create, that is something which is amazing. So for me, this is the high inspirations for me. It's like, okay, there is an opportunity, plenty of opportunity, as well as the reach which you can get to the people or the real world problems which we are solving. So
Okay, and what personality traits do you think generally fit to be in this field?
personality traits, okay. As I said, this is one of the highly competitive field. It demands a lot of skills. Maybe I can talk about some of the most important ones from my side. I mean, from my perspective. The first one I would call it as the person should be more of a tech savvy, right? So this is the basic one we expect from the IT professionals. One of the reason is also IT is an ever-changing environment. You need to have the foundational skills very strong and expertise on the dedicated area which you are choosing, right? So the technology savvy is the important one. Then, of course, the communication skills, whether you are working individually or you are a part of a team, the excellent communication skill is one of the must, I would say. It is also crucial if you are interested in tech support positions, right? So the next one, I would say, it's more of a management skills. So management, when I say management, it is for both personal and the project related part. When I say personal, I refer skills like time management, how you take care of yourself, the integrity, empathy. So these are all important when it comes to the personal management skills. But when it comes to the project management, this is where we will work, collaborate with other people, the team player, right? So how you are driving your teams for a successful completions. especially when you are growing higher IT, the project management skill is very much important. Then I would also count on the logical and organized thinking, because this is for me, as I said, a different problem, different challenges you have to solve. How you are thinking, right? How you are logically and systematically thinking when you are coding, designing the systems, which is also an important criteria. And then finally, I would say your creativity and innovations, how you are able to think out of box, right? So it's not about just providing a solutions. Like the innovative solutions always attract, and that creates the differentiator in this industry.
Okay. Um, and what like minimum education qualification is needed to be in information technology?
I would say an engineering degree or a bachelor's in a computer science, primarily, I would say. I mean, this is the basic qualifications. But also the other streams, like if you are in electrical or electronics, but you are learning computer science as an ancillary, also qualified, like qualified for the IT company. So mostly I would say the computer science related is important with your engineering degree.
Um, what different employment streams are there in the IT field?
Okay. There are nowadays, I say it is getting specialized very drastically. I mean, we started at like just software engineers. Everyone called as like software engineers. Then in software engineers, if you look at it, there is a front end, back end developers. We also have other areas like a quality engineers, database administrators, network engineers, system or platform engineers, data scientists. So people who are specialized in analytical skills and research with the data, we call them like a data scientist. We have product managers, business analysts. So I think you can count on. There are different organizations, but whatever I mentioned is the majority, the major one widely used in the industry.
Can you please explain what is the difference between these areas, and are there different education prerequisites to pursue them?
Um, okay, as I said, the different areas, I would say based on the individual's interest, because the basic one is everybody joins the company as a fresher with whatever the skills which you are acquiring from the college. Once you join the company, I would say it depends on your interest. Some people will get more interest towards the data. I think then they will realize, okay, I can be the better data scientist. Or some people, they will be more on the system network part, right? Say, okay, so there is an interest, and I would say there is an opportunity inside your company. So these two is important. Again, there are various courses these days. If you look at it, once you are in industry, you are fresh, you can acquire your knowledge or increase your knowledge by various courses. Certifications are available in the market to specialize yourself into this. uh, in these days, I also see from the colleges, the specialized stuffs are started from the colleges also. I see this the courses for the data scientist, AIML. It's all started from the schools. So people are learning these specialized part from their high school itself, which is really good in my opinion. But overall, I would recommend find out your interest and wait for an opportunity once you join the company, and then invest to specialize on whatever area you want to invest on.
So, if any of my fellow high school students are watching this, what would you say to them to motivate them to consider this field?
Okay, good question. I would say if you are passionate about problem solving, or you like to involve yourself in new challenges or new learnings on a daily basis, let's say, okay, so I would welcome you to this information technology.
This is all I had for today. Thank you, Mr. Rabani, for your valuable time in supporting this initiative.
Thank you, Magika. Thanks for the opportunity. It's my pleasure to contribute here, and all the best for the project, Partha. Thank
Thank
you.
you.